Hey, this is Charles Draven, and we'll be talking about this whole system called Master Affiliate Profits. It's an ecosystem, and in this video, I'll show you how to get started with it. And the whole idea here is to tap into some affiliate marketing systems, and these will reveal some of the little known secrets about how to build a business online. So a lot of people that stumble onto my channel, they're trying to find out a way to earn financial freedom, perhaps create more flexibility in their life, or maybe just make some very good side income. About me, my name is Charles Draven. I'm here in Silicon Valley, and I've been building online businesses for well over a decade now. And I got started through my financial consulting business. That was many years ago. And what happened is that I was using pay-per-click advertising to bring me business, but then got married, got a kid, and then I realized that there were a lot of challenges. And I was going to a lot of appointments based on other people's times. I was making calls based on other people's times. And then just doing that, especially while going through this new process, this new journey in life, I realized that it was very challenging because when I had a kid, especially, I'd have to wake up like 3 o'clock in the morning, and it was very tough to have enough energy and be able to go out on appointments that were based on other people's time slots. So very challenging, and so I realized that I needed to make a change. And so I started to explore different business models, and many were complicated, many didn't make a lot of money. But then I found success just keeping it simple. And that's what I focus on, especially on this channel, this YouTube channel. And that is my focus, helping ordinary people make money using straightforward strategies. And I do want to give you this quick disclaimer that I am a Master Affiliate Profits affiliate, which means that I do earn commissions if you make a purchase through my affiliate links, and it comes at no extra cost to you, and it helps support my channel. So one of the big things about this whole journey with Master Affiliate Profits is that you'll learn how to build your own online business the very simple way, and it will teach you the essential steps of creating an online business, and that will provide a lot of flexibility. That is the goal of this program. And so if you are trying to find out a way to earn financial freedom, to be able to work on your own terms and work anywhere, this program has the ability to do that. And one of the special things about this program is that it is focused on very effective strategies to help you maximize your earnings through something called high ticket affiliate marketing. So there was a person that came on my website a few weeks back, and she asked me, can I go ahead and apply this to selling Amazon products? And I would say that while there are a lot of strategies that you can learn through Master Affiliate Profits, the goal here is high ticket. So what is the big difference here? So if you are promoting Amazon products where you're making somewhere between, like, let's say 1 to 10%, if you were to sell an item for $100, your commissions would be somewhere between $1 to $10. So my whole thing here is that if you go that route, you'll have to get a lot of volume to make even your first thousand. So if your goal is to make, like, let's say $5,000, $10,000, you're going to have to make a lot of sales. However, if you go the high ticket route, you could pretty much make one sale or even two sales. In two sales, you could make over $1,000. So that is depending on the type of product you sell, but the whole focus of high ticket is to be able to make commissions anywhere from 3, 4, 5+ figures for each sale. So that will help you reach your financial goals faster. Next big thing that is taught in Master Affiliate Profits is being able to build a business while building your audience and building your list and using email marketing. So if you have never heard or used email marketing, it is a way to build your customer base, so your audience, your contact list, and then use the power of email, leveraging that power to be able to build that connection and, of course, make sales. And another pillar of Master Affiliate Profits is learning about social media, learning about what works, how to drive traffic, how to make more sales to your affiliate link. And so there is some special training. And one of the cool things about all the stuff that I've mentioned on Master Affiliate Profits you do learn from A to Z. So if you are just starting out, if you are an absolute beginner, you could get access to very beginner, like entry level modules, and then also build upon that knowledge and go all the way up to advanced level. So they do offer like an intermediate and advanced level training system. And then it does come with a special community. So you could join webinars, live webinars, check out the ones that have been recorded, and then you can also join their community. And what's cool about this community is that you do have access to the people that have created the system, as well as just real people, ordinary people just like you that are building the business, and seeing other people succeed and hearing and seeing what they're doing. That is actually something that will help you build your business. And so the whole thing here is that I've talked to you about all these systems, but to me, I think one of the key things is mindset and also thinking about your goals. And so for me, I think about building a lifestyle where you're able to have time, location, and financial freedom. So for a moment, just imagine that. Just picture yourself being able to enjoy that, being able to have that freedom to live life on your own terms, because you really have to have that kind of mindset as you build your business. And that will help empower you and motivate you to actually build upon that. And with a high ticket business, it offers a lot of different benefits. As I mentioned, you have higher profit margins. You have the ability to work just about anywhere. You can greatly scale your income, can build financial security, and also have that personal fulfillment of helping others succeed. And I want to talk to you about a special bonus that I'm giving away. For people that utilize my special link, I want to show you this training center that I'm building up. So this is like my back-end training center where people can get access. They'll be able to learn some of my strategies, especially strategies that I've been building and using over the years. And this will help empower you. And this is additional training to complement what is being offered in Master Affiliate Profits. And I'm planning to add more training and more modules that will help you learn about how to promote, especially organically, without having to pay for ads. So if your whole point here is to get started, this is a simple way. I am giving away a free gift. So check out the pinned comment below. You'll be able to get some access to my free training. And then from there, if you choose to go through my link to get Master Affiliate Profits, I'll give you access to my bonuses, which includes ongoing coaching and a lot of training. So go ahead and check out the pinned comment below, and thank you for watching.